Hi everybody, welcome back to How To with Matt. You might have seen my recent video of how to remove the fin from my stand-up paddleboard. I figure it might be a good idea to make a video of how to put the fin back on the board. So as you can see, we have everything that we need. We have our fin, screwdriver, and the screw to actually attach it. Our fin plate is already in there. Once again, that's a small metal square that actually holds the fin down and what the screw attaches to. Just to give some context, this board specifically is 11 foot by 6 inches long, 32 1/8 wide, and then 5 inches thick. And it's a Paddle Sports Surf Tech. So just to start, first thing is the orientation of the fin. So you want to make sure the fin pointed edge is pointing backwards. This once again is the back of the board. You'll see on the fin, it has 2 metal notches on each side. That's what actually is gonna push it down and hold it in the track when it's in there. And when it comes to the positioning, whether it be far back or far forward, when it comes to it being far back, what that basically means is that you're gonna have much more of a straight ride. Usually people that do this are gonna be ones that are usually on flat water. They want much more of a straight ride and they're not gonna have to alternate their pedal back and forth as much when they're riding. If your fin was all the way forward, what that usually means is that you're gonna be riding more waves. So for this, it's gonna allow you to take much sharper turns, which is useful when you're riding waves. For me today, what I'm gonna do is put it roughly about half and half, because I usually ride on the ocean, which isn't usually super wavy where I am, but it can be at times. So I just want to make sure I'm ready for those kind of things. So once again, I'm going to start with putting the end with the little metal notches in first. Right here, you'll have our circle, the full track. We're going to put metal notches directly down into where that circle is. From there, I'm going to push it about 3/4 back. Right about there. What I want to make sure I do, which you may or may not be able to see, is make sure your fin plate is roughly around where you want it to sit. So I'm going to push that down. So once the fin is completely flush with the board, I'm going to make sure my fin plate is properly in place. Just like that. I'll drop my screw directly into the hole at the front of the fin. And then from there, we're going to just screw it right in. So that screw is going to go directly into the fin plate, which was that small metal square plate. And there we go. That's going to secure it, and that is pretty much everything. Once again, probably the most important thing, just make sure your fin is pointing backwards to the back of the board. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to have much more of a complicated time when you're on your board. Thank you so much for watching How To with Matt. This was how to put your fin back on your stand-up paddleboard. Make sure to subscribe, give it a like, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.